Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator at Children's Museum Houston, and today we are making a hero's story bookmarks. This one for us is celebrating Marvel Mania, so I'm actually going to show you how you can make a Marvel themed bookmark, but at home you can really decorate your bookmark any way you like. All you need to do this is a thin piece of kind of heavy paper. So we've got some heavy cardstock here. You can also use tag board. You can even use something like a cereal box that you just cut out a piece of and draw on the side that doesn't have any printing on it. We are going to be using pens at home. You can try using a permanent marker if you'd like. I have some stencils that we have made, and like I said, these are Marvel themed, so I have some Avengers and some Thor, Captain America. I think this is Iron Man. I had to remind myself. If you have stencils at home, any stencil will work. If you don't have stencils, that's okay. Like I said, you can decorate your bookmark any way you like. And then I also just have some washable markers that I'm going to use to decorate around my stencil. So I'm going to start off with my Avengers stencil, and I'm just going to put it towards the bottom of my piece of cardstock here, center it up, and I am going to outline this with my ballpoint pen. Now the reason I'm using a ballpoint pen here is because when I color over or around it with my washable markers, it won't smear the ink. So if I were to use a washable marker for this, like if I used a black marker to do the outline and then I colored inside with like a yellow marker, the colors kind of blend together. Some of the black mixes in with my yellow, which I'm not really trying to do. So that's why I'm using a ballpoint pen, and why, if you do this at home, a permanent marker works really well for this step. So here we go. I have my Avengers logo outlined, and now I'm just going to color it in, color around the edge, and pretty much decorate it any way I like. You can write a message on it. You can make this as a gift for somebody, maybe a happy birthday themed bookmark, whatever you want to try. Okay, I'm all done. I did mine pretty quickly, but this is just an example of what your bookmark might look like. Again, like I said, you can do yours any way you like. And the great thing is, the next time you find yourself reading an amazing book, but you have to take a break, put it down because maybe it's time for lunch or you have to go somewhere, it's bedtime, then you can use your fantastic bookmark to save your place in your book so you know exactly where you left off on your adventure. Thanks very much, everybody, for joining us for today's activity here in Art Academy in Kidtropolis. We will see you all again real soon. Bye.